Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger grill. Park on level ground and disconnect the battery before you start. Remove the front bumper fasteners and retain clips in a labeled container. Use a plastic trim tool to gently release tabs without scratching paint. Inspect mounting points for damage and replace broken clips. Test fit the new grill, tighten fasteners evenly, and reconnect the battery when finished for a safe final check. Begin by opening the hood and locating top screws that secure the grill. Remove screws and keep them organized so reassembly is easier. Work along the top edge, releasing tabs with a trim tool while supporting the grill to prevent drops. If lower clips are hidden behind the bumper, remove the bumper cover following factory guidelines. Once freed, lift the grill straight out, inspecting surrounding trim for hidden retainers or wiring harnesses before fully removing it. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfy, lasting wear while you wrench on cars. They hold up through shop work and long drives, so they pair perfectly with a weekend garage project. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Start by test fitting the new grill to confirm alignment and clip engagement. Replace any broken clips or worn fasteners with OEM or high-quality parts for durability. Once positioned, insert all retaining clips in hand, start screws to keep the grill centered. Tighten fasteners incrementally and check gaps as you go to avoid misalignment. Reinstall the bumper if removed, reconnect the battery, and do a final visual and tactile check for a secure installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.